Harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. Y'all need to know all the tea and all the information about this BeautyForever hair wig, this V-part wig to be exact, with no glue, no leave out, and it's straight. Because you know, with curly hair it's easier to blend in, but with this hair is, you guys will see during the video. You guys will know every little thing about this hair during the video. So this is how I have my hair for the wig install, and if you guys want to see a full video on how I style my hair for wigs, I'll leave it down below for you guys. So this is the hair, and I got it straight from the box and I didn't do nothing to it yet. And this is what the V part looks like on it, and I just love the length of it. I believe this is 24 inches or 26, I don't know, it'll be listed down below anyway, or linked down below. And this is what the box looks like, and when you open it you receive all these goodies. I received this cute headband. This is so cute to wear. I love this print. It's a cheetah leopard type of print, and you receive these types of bra looking clips. I don't know what they're exactly for, but I'm gonna just keep them just in case. You guys probably know, and if you do, please let me know. And I received a wig cap, which I don't need for this video, but I'm glad I have it just in case. Then for this bag I received their lashes, and these are very minky and very big. White clips, and this really pretty giraffe cheetah print looking scarf. Before I put this wig on, I am going to straighten it since it is a little bit wavy and I want it bone straight. So I'm gonna go in with my Fantasia heat protecting oil serum, and then I'm going to be straightening it with my Irresistible Me straightener. And I love it because it's rose gold and it has like a mirror type of straightening effect to it, and I have a coupon code with them so you guys can get money off this straightener. It's so worth it and it's so pretty. And do not mind this because I just lift this part of my middle part. But yeah, I did a makeup tutorial today and it will be listed down below for you guys. But yeah, make sure you guys go check it out after this video because this look is very fresh, very clean. It's very in style right now. Focus it on the end since they're the oldest part of the hair, and I'm gonna brush it out. There is minimal shedding on this brush. The straightener only takes like 30 seconds for it to heat up, and it goes all the way up to 450. Since I'm done straightening that, I'm gonna fix up my edges of my hair real quick. I'm going to use the Edge Fixer by Kiss, and it's the Max Hold Sweet Leche. It smells so good. I'm gonna fix my makeup once I'm done with the hair and everything, but yeah, this is how everything's looking so far. This part's not even gonna be shown, so I'm just gonna comb it back. And then for the hair, as you can see, it has 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. These on the side, 1 clip in the middle, and 1 clip on the bottom. But I'm just gonna use the 4 and not the middle one since I don't want it pulling my hair, since my hair is being pulled already. But that is optional for you in case you do want to use it. Plus there is adjustable straps, but I'm gonna unloosen them because I don't like it when my wigs are too tight because I get headaches and everything. And you want to start off with one side, then you're gonna do the other side. And it may take trial and error, it really depends. You want to make sure to have it as close as possible to your scalp, especially since we're not leaving any leave out. And you see how the hair looks fuller when you add a little design right here with your real hair. Actually, let me give you guys more information about this hair and everything, because the quality is so good and it's so soft. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's so freaking soft. This is 24 inches and obviously it's a straight V-part wig, and it's 100% virgin hair, tangle free, no shedding, no leave out, no lace, and no glue. And I really love how this turned out. I do need to touch up certain areas. And you guys, the cut on this hair is so on point. It's not looking like a blunt cut. It's like having a little bit of long layers, and it's not looking like I have dead ends. I'll show you guys the length of this. It's so long. It says it's 24 inches, but I swear it says right here 24 inches, but this feels like a 26. It's all the way down to right here, underneath my crack. Top notch quality BeautyForever hair. You did your thing with this one. This straight hair, like, it's on point. Like, it looks so good. It looks very healthy. It looks like it's my hair but straight. Like, this is how my hair is when it's straight. It's like so shiny like this. And this is how the wig looks once I'm done with it. You see how everything looks. Like, you may have to leave out if you want to, but if you just want to throw this on and go, this is the perfect wig for that, because it's so easy to put on and the quality feels so soft and so amazing. And you can't even tell if it's a clip-in or not, because it's so flat at the top. It's not even looking bumpy when you look straight at someone. Like, the hair quality is so freaking good. Like, I keep saying that, but it really is. Like, it's so soft. And you don't even have to do much with this hair at all. You just clip it on. And you can leave out if you want to, but this is one of the best wigs to where you don't even have to leave any leave out. Like, this is so cute. That is all that I have for this wig install. Like, this was so easy. This takes like under 5 minutes to do, because you just clip this on. You may fix it up a little bit here and there, straighten it, do whatever, but takes less than 5 minutes, 3 minutes if we trying to be very timely, 3 minutes to do. So yeah, make sure you guys go check out BeautyForever Hair. I'll leave this hair down below in the description box for you guys, and my hair tutorial on how I fit my hair, my thick hair under wigs. I definitely rate this hair a 10 out of 10 because it's so good. And this part right here, it's flat. Like, if it was thicker, it will make it look like it's not even real, you know, but it really helps to make it look as real as possible. And what I mean by real, I mean like your actual hair, like on your scalp real. But this is 100% real human hair though. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments down below. I'll answer them. I always reply back to your comments. And like this video, subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. It means so much to me. It literally means so much to me. Click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So yeah, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.